Amidst a grand celebration of International Yoga Day led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the headquarters of United Nations, protests emerged in New York with people holding placards demanding peace in Manipur. PM Modi concluded the yoga event on Wednesday, which witnessed the presence of an overwhelming number of people of Indian origin mixed with yoga enthusiasts of other nationalities as well. Notably, the event created a Guinness World Record for the participation of people of most nationalities at a yoga session. On the other hand, protesters gathered nearby with placards stating, "We want peace in Manipur," "Why PM Modi silent?", "Real Hindus don't lynch," "Save Manipur," and "Stop violence in Manipur," among others. A video has shown a van displaying a message, "Hey Joe Biden, ask Modi why India is under a genocide watch today." PM's official maiden visit to the US comes at a time when more than 100 people have lost their lives in the violence between Meitei and Kuki communities in Manipur that broke out over a month ago.